Today I'm going to show you some really cool hacks you can do with a plastic bottle. We're going to start with this sauce bottle. This spout makes a really useful attachment for cleaning hard to get to areas. You can attach it to your vacuum cleaner with tape like this. And use it to clean up those difficult nooks and crannies. And it's really good for cleaning out the dust underneath your keyboard keys too. You can use a plastic bottle like this to make a really fine nozzled funnel. I'm starting by cutting the bottle in a very specific way to give the funnel a handle. I'm cutting it out along these lines here, so that we've got something which looks like this. Next, I'm looping this part around and pushing it over the bottleneck. This gives us a nice handle to hold it from. Next, I'm unscrewing the bottle top, holding it with some pliers, and heating up the top of it with a flame. Don't hold it too close because you don't want it to blacken or burn. I kept moving it to heat it up gradually until it was soft enough to push a skewer in like this. Pretty cool, huh? Once you've extruded it out, hold it still until it cools. Then you should be able to remove the skewer and sit it down until it's cold. Then when you're ready, you can use some scissors to cut the nozzle down to your required hole size. I'm leaving it nice and small like this. Then screw it back onto the funnel, and there we go. Perfect for filling up small bottles. And you could make different sized holes in different bottle tops to interchange if you like. I'm using this bottle and cutting it in a very similar way, but this time I'm keeping the bottom instead of the top. Now when I pull this piece over to make a handle, instead of a funnel, we've made a drinking cup. It's obviously a bit flimsier than a china cup, so don't overfill it. But it works really well. And I'm going to show you how to make a spoon out of this bottle. We're going to cut out this profile from the bottom of the bottle here. I just used scissors, then tidied it up a little. To make it a little more rigid, I put a fold line down the length of the handle. And there's our plastic spoon. I used the rest of the bottle to cut out a ring out of the middle about 1 inch wide. And I'm going to make this into a heart-shaped cookie cutter by putting a fold line like this at one side, and another straight opposite like this. I let it spring out, and there's our DIY heart-shaped cookie cutter. Perfect for baking. I tried it out on this pastry, and it worked really well. And I also made a star-shaped one, which looks a bit rough, but it's still really good. If you want to make smaller hearts, you can adjust the size of the hearts by holding it closed at the bottom and using it like this. Or if you want to, you can cut the bottom off to shorten it, and join it back together with tape to make it smaller. If you need to separate an egg yolk from the white, You can gently squeeze a plastic bottle, then release it to suck up the yolk clean out of the egg white. Then deposit it wherever you like. This is great fun and it works really well. And you can even do more than one egg at the same time. I get 3 yolks here, and had them all in the bottle together before depositing them here. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.